What's your experience with managing IT projects? Have you ever found yourself wondering why so many of them fail? Sometimes we focus so much on tools and processes, but still the project does not go as planned, right? That's your problem. You have been focusing so much on the rigid processes that don't work anymore. Let me ask you another question. What's your typical approach when dealing with project issues? You would say you stick to the initial plan and follow the process. Do you? See, that's exactly where things go wrong. That is where Agile comes in. It's not just another process, it's a mindset shift that's built on four core values. Let's understand those values. Agile does not mean ignoring the process, it means valuing people and their interactions over strictly following tools and processes. The reason projects fail is not because you lack a process or a fancy tool, but because you are overlooking the team and their collaboration. Agile turns that around, giving more emphasis to the people and their interactions and the flexibility to adapt. You will notice fewer roadblockers, and projects that were stuck in limbo will finally move forward smoothly. And here is the kicker. Agile emphasizes delivering working software over creating endless documentation. Imagine spending months gathering requirements only to hand the client a big document instead of a working feature. Who cares about the document? What you really want to do is build a usable feature from the start, even if it's just one working component. That's real progress, and Agile prioritizes that every step on the way. Another thing, Agile fosters customer collaboration over contract negotiation. You won't get bogged down by what's in or outside the scope. Agile makes you flexible so you can adapt to the customer changing needs without looking yourself so rigid, following rigid contracts that style the projects. It's a win-win because both you and the customer will be more responsive to the reality of the project, which saves time and money in the long run. Finally, Agile teaches you to respond to change instead of sticking to a fixed plan. Plans are good, but they are guesses at their best. And the truth is, things always change. Why clinging to a plan that no longer makes sense? Agile lets you replan, revisit, and adjust as projects evolve. That's how projects succeed in real world environment where nothing stays the same for long. So if you are tired of projects falling apart, Agile is the way to go. And if you still want to cling to the old methods that fail, that's perfectly fine. There are plenty of companies that do that too. But the ones that want real progress, they are moving to Agile. Until next time.